And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 68. Let me show you how you can add green screen transitions. So if you, for example, search on YouTube for free video transitions green screen, you will find a couple of examples. Let's say we pick this one, and there is a download link given in the video description. Some of these videos, they directly give you that link, and it's free to use even for commercial projects. Just download it, in this case via Google Drive, import it into CapCut. Now we have these two clips right here, simple jump cut, and we want to add the green screen transition. The way to do it is to put it on top of the two clips. If I play it, you have this green screen and then the animation right here. And we can use it now by selecting the green screen transition clip in the timeline. So left click on it if it isn't selected. Then go to Video, Remove BG, Chroma key, check the box, activate the eyedropper tool here with a left click if it isn't already activated. Hover over the green color, left click, and this will sample the green color. And now you can see the green is filtered out and we only have this animation, but we have to position it correctly. So here at this point, we should still see the first video, not the second one. So I have to drag this a little bit to the left. Let me try again. And now we are late, so this was too far. Let me drag it again over here. And now we're good. So you can see at the start of the transition, we have the woods. And once the animation is done, we have this guy on the floor. And this is how I can use these green screen transitions. I'm going to link to the specific one that I've used, but again, just type it into Google free video transitions green screen and you will find thousands of examples. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.